If customers can't find you, they can't hire you. And in 2025, showing up on Google isn't a nice to have, it's a must. Whether you're a contractor, cleaner, local shop owner, or home service pro, your next customer is probably Googling you right now. So today, we're breaking down exactly how to show up on Google, step by step, even if you're just getting started. Let's make it easy. Step 1. Claim your Google business profile. Go to google.com/business and click Manage Now. Add your business name, choose your category, example, plumber or electrician. Enter your service area, city zip codes. Add your phone number, website, hours. Why it matters. This is what helps you show up in the Google Maps results and Near Me searches for free. Step 2. Add photos and reviews. Google wants to show real active businesses. Upload real photos of your work, team, or shop. Ask happy clients to leave reviews. You can text them the link. Respond to every review. Even a short thank you builds trust. Why it matters. Profiles with photos and reviews show up higher in local results and get way more clicks. Step 3. Optimize your website. Google looks at your website to decide if you're relevant and trustworthy. Make sure your site has your city plus service clearly listed, a clickable phone number, a fast load time, under 3 seconds, mobile-friendly layout, clear calls to action like call now or get a quote. Bonus tip, create a separate page for each service, not just one long services page. This helps you show up for more specific searches like AC repair in city or roof leak fix zip code. Step 4. Use consistent info everywhere. Make sure your business name, phone number, and address are exactly the same everywhere. On your website, Google listing, social media, directories, invoices, everything. Inconsistent info confuses Google and can hurt your rankings. Step 5. Stay active. Post updates to your Google business profile every few weeks. It could be a new photo, special offer, happy Monday, we're booking jobs in city this week. This tells Google, hey, we're active and worth showing to searchers. Remember, claim your Google business profile, add real photos and reviews, optimize your website, keep your business info consistent, stay active online. Do these right, and you'll stop missing out on people already searching for what you do. Feeling overwhelmed? You don't have to do it alone. At Engage, we set up and optimize everything for you. Website, Google profile, reviews, and more. So you show up where it counts and turn searches into customers. Visit EngageYourBiz.com. Engage Your Business, our expertise.